Hello and welcome to the English class of Aryabhat International School Barnala. So in this session we will read class 10th chapter Glimpse of India's part 2 Coorg. This prose is written by Lokesh Abrol. Coorg is a coffee country famous for its rainforest and spices which is in Karnataka. This lesson gives us beautiful insight of the smallest district of Karnataka and its people. The place has an amazing weather throughout the year with enough rain during the monsoon season. The people of Coorg are known to be one of the bravest. Coffee is the main crop grown in this region. A variety of animals can be found here while the place is surrounded by beautiful Brahmagiri hills, islands and Tibetan settlements. So this is the summary also of the lesson. Now, where this place is located? It is located in the midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. Sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. That it is imagined that it is derived from the kingdom of God. This land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. Here, the narrator wants to tell you the beautiful nature of this place and the beautiful people of this place. The men are brave, beautiful women, and wild creatures. Coorg, or also known as Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka, is home to evergreen rainforest. Evergreen rainforest where rain happens all the time. Spices and coffee plantation. Evergreen rainforest cover 30% of this district. During the monsoon, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. मतलब काफ़ी सारे विजिटर इससे दूर रहते हैं क्योंकि बारिश के मौसम खराब मौसम के कारण they avoid it. The season of joy commences from September and continues till March. The weather is perfect. इस सीज़न में सितंबर से मार्च तक वेदर परफेक्ट होता है with some showers thrown in for good measure. The air breathes of invigorating coffee. What is the meaning of invigorating? Strong. Coffee estates, the colonial bungalows stand tucked under tree canopies in prime corners. Canopies roof-like covering made of trees that form a shelter. एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट के टाइप्स बताए गए हैं ट्रीज के कि कैसे ट्रीज के टाइप्स होते हैं. द फायर्सली इंडिपेंडेंट पीपल. फायर्सली मतलब ब्रेवेस्ट इंडिपेंडेंट पीपल ऑफ कॉर्ग आर पॉसिबली ऑफ ग्रीक और अरबिक डिसेंट. मतलब वो किन की हेरिडिटी है? ग्रीक और अरबिक. एज वन स्टोरी गोज, अ पार्ट ऑफ अलेक्जेंडर्स आर्मी मूव्ड साउथ अलोंग द कोस्ट. एक स्टोरी है इसके पीछे कि अलेक्जेंडर की आर्मी जो है वो साउथ की तरफ कोस्ट की तरफ जा रही थी एंड सेटल हियर, और वहाँ सेटल हो गई. व्हेन रिटर्न बिकम impractical. These people married amongst the local and their culture is apparent in the martial traditions, marriage and religious rites which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. ये यहाँ पे सेटल हो गए, उन्होंने यहाँ पे मैरिज किया और उनका जो कल्चर है वो अपारेंटली डिफरेंट है. मार्टियल ट्रेनिंग भी डिफरेंट है, मैरिजेस रिलीजियस भी डिफरेंट है फ्रॉम द हिंदू मेन स्ट्रीम. हिंदू के जो मेन स्ट्रीम मतलब मेन कल्चर से थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है. Of Arab origin draws sports from the long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Kodawus. उनकी एक स्पेशल यहाँ पे अटायर को डिस्क्राइब किया गया है. वो लॉन्ग और ब्लैक कोट पहनते थे, लॉन्ग शर्ट विद ब्लैक कोट एंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड वेस्ट बेल्ट worn by Kodawus, known as kufiya. The dress is known by kufiya. It resembles the kufiya worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. Coorgi homes have a traditional hospitality, means they welcome in a pleased manner of any guest, and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. They feel happy to tell the tales about their forefathers like to their sons and fathers. The Coorg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian army. ये जो कूर्ग रेजिमेंट है, रेजिमेंट आर्मी है, इंडिया की सबसे ज़्यादा ब्रेव आर्मी मानी जाती है. एंड द फर्स्ट चीफ ऑफ द इंडियन आर्मी जनरल करियप्पा was a Coorgi. Even now, Kodavus are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. सिर्फ इन्हीं को एक राइट दिया गया है कि वो फायर आर्म्स कैरी कर सकते हैं विदाउट अ लाइसेंस. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forest of Coorg. महासीर, a large freshwater fish, एक fish है जिस that name is महासीर, abound in these waters, जो इन waters में मिलती है. Kingfishers dive for their catch, kingfisher bird जो डाइव करती है इसको कैच करने के लिए. While squirrels and langurs draw partially eaten fruit from for the mischief, playful behavior of enjoying the splash and ripple effect in the clear water. Elephants enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river by their mahots. Mahots होते हैं जो person who works with rides and tends and animals who care the elephants. मतलब यहाँ की नदी में, कावेरी में, ये सारे birds और animals देखने को मिलते हैं. The most laid-back, relaxed individuals become converts to a life of high energy adventure with river rafting. इस river में river rafting, canoeing, grappling, rock climbing and mountain biking, ये सारी activities यहाँ पे होती है. Numerous walking trails in the region. Trails means paths created by walking in the region are a favorite with trekkers. Trekkers came here to trek. Birds, bees and butterflies are there to give you company. Means in a way you can see birds, bees and different butterflies, different bees with you on the way. Macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs and slender lories keep a watchful eye from the tree canopy. मतलब यहाँ पे सारे langurs, squirrels वगैरह जो tree पे आप देख सकते हो trees पे. I do however prefer to step aside for wild elephants. आपको कुछ elephants भी देखने को मिल सकते हैं. The climb to Brahmgiri Hills bring you a panoramic view. Panoramic view, a view of a wide area of land. मतलब वहाँ से आपको नीचे पूरी land नज़र आ सकती है of the entire misty landscape of Coorg. पूरा landscape मतलब पूरा Coorg आपको वहाँ से नज़र आता है. A walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre islands of निसार्गदम. यहाँ पे एक ब्रिज बना हुआ है, एक रोप ब्रिज जो आपको 64 एकड़ आइलैंड के को भी दिखाता है. रनिंग इनटू बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क्स फ्रॉम इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट तिब्बतन सेटलमेंट्स एंड नियर बाय बाइलाकूप इज अ बोनस. यहाँ पे एक बोनस के तौर पे यहाँ पे तिब्बतन कल्चर भी आपको देखने को मिलता है. द मॉन्क्स इन रेड ochre and yellow robes are amongst the many surprises that wait to be discovered by a visitor searching for the heart and soul of India. So this is also called the heart and soul of India because you can see monks in different colors of dress in red, ochre and yellow robes. They will be surprise you right here in Coorg. So this was a beautiful picture of the small district of Coorg settled in Karnataka. So all about the lesson.